Hi there, and thank you for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell, here to give you financial tips and tricks as you get to know your money better. So today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday, and my tip for today is for you to call your cell phone company, cable company, electric company, or even any other utility company that you put a deposit down on and ask them for your deposit back. If it's been a year, and you've made that deposit, even if it's been 2 years, and you put that deposit on that account, go ahead and give them a call and see if they'll be willing to go ahead to refund that deposit back to you. So I recently contacted my cell phone company and I just told them, hey, I really wanted to find out if I can get a refund of the deposit that I paid to you about 2 years ago. They said, sure. How do you want to receive it? Do you want us to send it to you, or would you like us to apply it to your next bill? I asked them to apply it to my next bill. That means that the next month, I did not have to pay that bill. So if you like this information, go ahead and hit like, subscribe to my channel to get more tips every Tuesday, and also share this information with your friends and family. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.